Spooky Babes and Ghouls. So today we're going to be doing a Victor makeup tutorial. And I haven't really seen too many of these on YouTube. I've seen like some cosplays of Victor, of course, but I want to do something that people like, I guess for people that want to do like Halloween costumes, like based on Corpse Bride. Like previously I've done Emily, I've done Victoria, and I'm doing Victoria. So I'll be sure to post some links down below to the other Corpse Bride characters, so that way y'all can check them out. I think my Corpse Bride came out really awesome. I'm actually really proud of that one. I love doing Tim Burton characters because I get to wear these white contacts and make my eyes appear bigger, and I just get to do it creepy, dark makeup, so that's really fun. So I really do enjoy doing Tim Burton characters for sure. Okay, so Victor kind of has like dark circles around his eyes, and we're gonna be doing the eyeshadow first. I'll probably do the eyebrows last, so that way until I figure out what I'm doing exactly. But yes, he does have dark circles underneath his eyes, and he has like a big eyelid, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna do cut crease, but I don't know, it's kind of like a male character, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna do cut crease. We'll see, because like, I think I'm gonna keep it simple. I think I'm just keep it all smoky, even though I kind of want the huge like, Tim Burton eyelid. I don't really do, I don't know, we'll see. For now, I don't even know what I'm gonna be doing. I know for sure I want to keep the eyes like dark and dead looking and smoky. So yeah, so anyway, so we're gonna be jumping into Kat Von D's Metal Matte eyeshadow palette, and we're gonna start off with the transition shade, and we're gonna be using the shade Bone, and it's not entirely white, it's nearly white. You can use a white just to kind of like set your eyeshadow, basically, just to you know, kind of give it like a base. So we're gonna, actually I do have eye primer on, and I already did my foundation and the concealer, so that's all done. I'm just gonna be starting off with the eyeshadows now. So yeah, so you can use a white color. This is kind of like almost like a pinkish white, like a slightly pink. I don't know how to explain it. But it looks kind of weird in this light, so I don't know. But yeah, so I'm applying that all over my eyelids. Okay, so next I'm using Kat Von D's Shade and Light Eyeshadow Quadrant Smoke, and I was looking, at first I was doing kind of like a brownish smoky eye. I might add a little bit of brown later to make it more darker, but it kind of does look grayish in most pictures that I'm looking at, and I guess that's how like this whole setting is in the movie. It's like gray and blue. So I'm going to be using this gray eyeshadow as a first, kind of like, or the second transition shade. So we're going to be applying that onto the crease and then kind of blending it out, and then we're going to smoke it out. Adding gray underneath the bottom eyelid, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm applying gray and then blending it out with the blending brush. I'm using the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner eyeshadow palette, and we're going to be using the shade Crucifix, which is a dark brown. You can use any dark brown shade you want. I'm going in a small crease brush, and then I'm applying it onto the crease. Sorry, on the way. I'm applying it onto the crease and then blend it out just a little bit, not too much. And I think I might go with a cut crease kind of, but it's not going to be like a really nice glittery cut crease. It's just going to be something, I'm trying to make it as natural as possible, big and Tim Burton-ish at the same time. So I'm using the shade Crucifix again, and we're going to be adding it underneath the eyes. We're going to blend it out just a little bit, just like how we did previously. So right now, really quickly, I just kind of add a little bit of gray eyeshadow to make the circles a little bit darker underneath the eyes. And then add a little bit of the white to kind of like bring it back a little bit. It came out a little dark, so that's what I did. We're going to contour the nose later, so hopefully I'll bring the whole look together. But yeah, I think Victor, well yeah, he has like dark circles under his eyes. Like his eyes are pretty dark, so I think that added like a really nice look to it. But anyway, so next is cut crease time. Yay, my favorite part. So we're just using some concealer and a concealer brush, and we're just gonna kind of cut the crease. So we're gonna make it like a big, nice crease, just like how like most Tim Burton characters look like with big creases. But we're also gonna add maybe like a gray eyeshadow or like a really light, like natural eyeshadow on top. I haven't decided yet, but we'll see. Okay, so I think the cut crease definitely pulled the whole look together, it looks very Tim Burton-ish now, so I'm pretty happy with that. But I don't know if I'm gonna add that. I don't think I'm gonna add any eyeshadow on the cut crease, at least not yet, because I think it looks fine for now. Like I like the way the concealer kind of makes the eyeshadow and it kind of made like a dark, kind of tannish color, and like almost like a gray. So I like that a lot. So I'm gonna leave it at that for now. And if I change my mind, then I'll add eyeshadow later. But for now, we're gonna be adding some white eyeliner onto our waterlines to make the eyes look a little bit bigger. Next I'm doing the eyebrows with Kat Von D's eyebrow pomade and graphite. You can use any black eyebrow pomade or any black eyeshadow for this part. I'm also going to be using a small angled brush from Real Techniques to carve my eyebrows out. But his eyebrows are pretty thin. I'm looking at the picture now and they're pretty thin, kinda. And they kinda arch a little bit up. So I'm going to try to keep that. I'm going to try to follow that a little bit. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I mean, if I mess up, I mess up, but oh well. But yeah, so we're gonna try to follow his eyebrow shape a little bit. Maybe add a little bit of my style of it, so we'll see. Contour my nose, and I'm using the Untitled Cosmetics contour palette, and also might be dipping a little bit into Kat Von D's Metal Matte eyeshadow palette as well. So I'm starting off very light with light colors, so I think I'm gonna be dipping into the Kat Von D eyeshadow palette first, and then I'm gonna kind of start carving out my nose, and of course I'll be blending it out, and then maybe I might go a little darker to make the nose even more skinnier. Okay, so next I'm going to contour my face using the Untitled Cosmetics contour palette once again. And I'm using contour brush and I'm blending it out. face does look pretty masculine already. I kept the contour sharp and I blended as much as I usually do. Usually I have to kind of keep it a little sharp but kind of soft at the same time to make it look more feminine. But also, I also contoured my jawline even more than usual to make it look also more masculine. I even kept, as you can tell, I kept the eyebrow straight to keep it masculine as well, because we are doing a male character. So yeah, so I think it's pretty much done for the makeup already. Actually I need to do the lips. I just remember that. Wow. Let me look at his picture quick and then I'll figure out what I'll do with the lips right now. His lips are very pale, they're small too, so I think we're going to be adding some concealer on them and blending it out. So yeah, I think we're going to be doing that. But they're also kind of gray, so I might add a little bit of gray on them too. So I'll do that right now. Okay, so I masked the lips with concealer. I just got some concealer and then I kind of patted it down and blended it out to kind of make them look smaller. So next we're going to be taking some eyeshadow for this part. Since I already have a concealer on my lips, I think the eyeshadow stay on pretty well. Let me get up in a picture of him real quick. So, okay. So I think we're going to be using this shade right here, this gray shade right there, yes. And we're going to be getting a little bit, and I'm kind of be putting it like on the middle of my lips and then kind of be blending it out slowly, like very little, but not too much. We don't want to overline the lips, we want to keep them like thin and small. So yeah. Done to makeup already. I think I already have everything done. So next I'm going to be throwing on a wig, so I'll be right back. I'm going to throw it on and I'll come back to you guys. Hey guys, so here is my transformation. I have short black hair now. I think I definitely put off this look. I think it definitely does look like Victor. I think if you were to put me in like my coarse spray makeup look together, like they would look perfect together, honestly. And I feel like they fit together. Like it looks really cool. Like I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. And also I think you know you succeeded in a makeup transformation when your own dog growls at you because it doesn't recognize who you are. I know, like my chihuahua was just growling at me right now, so I was just like, oh my god, I'm betrayed. Like, it's me. But yeah, so I guess that means I did a good job. So he doesn't recognize me right now, so hopefully once I take off my wig and I have my hair down, he'll know it's me, I hope. But yeah, so that is it for today's makeup tutorial. I had a ton of fun recreating Victor, what's his last name? I kind of want to say it's Victor Van Dort, I'm not sure. From Course Bride. I had a ton of fun recreating it. This is actually my first male character that I've recreated. I have recreated David Bowie's looks in the past, but I kind of like made him more feminine, so I wasn't like a total like makeup transformation. It was just kind of like a recreation. So this is kind of like this is kind of like a transformation for me a little bit, because I did kind of try to change my features a little bit and everything. So this was a lot of fun. So I haven't really actually done a male character makeup look before, so hopefully, why am I saying hopefully? But yeah, so I had a ton of fun recreating this. My lips look so small, like I'm tripping out. Like they look really tiny compared to what they normally are. Oh my god, it's like so weird. Yeah, so this is definitely my own dog didn't recognize me, so yeah. So yeah, so that's pretty fun. So yeah, I think this look, I think it would go perfectly together with my coarse spray look. I need to put them together. Like I need to like put them together like in Photoshop so I can post it or something. I think it would look really cool together. Definitely looks Tim Burton. Like I think like if I didn't add the crease, it would have just looked a little bit plain. It wouldn't look as Tim Burton, because Tim Burton characters have like big eyes, big eyelids. So I think it was a must. I know I do a lot of cut creases in my makeup tutorials, but like honestly I love cut creases myself, so and also Tim Burton characters, I feel like they need cut creases because like, they're big eyes, you know, so yeah. So that is it for today's makeup tutorial. Be sure to check out my other coarse bride makeup tutorials. I'll leave the links to those 2 videos down below, and also have a bunch of other cool videos, of course. Make sure you check out my other Halloween makeup tutorials. I think I posted 13, I'm not sure how the order is going to be right now, so y'all see, but I'll try to post like 13 makeup tutorials every day, or like one every day, so be sure to check out on that. Hopefully you guys get inspiration from those videos. And if you do recreate any of my looks, be sure to tag me on Instagram or Twitter, so that way I can see it and repost it on my story. Also, be sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Denise Draven, as always. And I think that's it. So make sure to leave a like and comment down below. Tell me what you guys think about this makeup transformation. Do you think I actually captured the character, or do you think it would actually go good with my other course bride look, like if they would fit together? Like, I don't know, whatever. Let me know down below in the comments. Also, tell me what you guys would be for Halloween. I would love to know. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet for more awesome content coming up. So that's it for today's makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!